On March 25, 1911, a fire broke out in the Triangle Shirtwaist Factory, trapping large numbers of young immigrant women inside because the doors were locked. Panicked workers jumped out of windows to their death.
I saw the people throwing them out. I hollered, "Come on, come over here, maybe the door will be open." But it took a long time before the door came open. But the firemen came in, picked us up, and they took us down. A couple of firemen took us. And when we got down, we couldn't get out because the bodies were right on the ground there.
Well, the Triangle Shirtwaist led to the first workers' compensation legislation and the factory inspection legislation that brought the government into the business of protecting workers on the job.